Hey there, it's Richard with Richfield Auctions, and today I'm just extremely proud to talk about this very, very special car. This is a real deal 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 with the extremely rare W30 package. But what makes this car special goes so much further than just the 442 and just the W30 package. These cars were the pinnacle of Oldsmobile performance. 455, this one's got a 4-speed, and of course all of the correct W30 packages. This is one of the best documented 1970 Oldsmobiles I've ever seen. It has all the correct options, all the go fast stuff, and unlike what you'd see in a lot of Oldsmobiles, none of the luxury stuff. It's a post car, it's manual steering, it's manual brakes. This car was optioned for one thing and one thing only, and that is to go fast in an Oldsmobile. It is very well optioned. One of the things that's of course extremely important about W30s is documentation. The documentation on this car is superb. We have the original build sheet. We have documentation from Oldsmobile. We have great chain of history. There are literally hundreds of pages of documents on this car that you can review if you want to verify the origins of this car. The provenance is superb. We know all the hands that it's passed through. We know the history on the car, and it is excellent. When it comes to W30 cars, only 142 real ones were ever built, and this is one of them. The reality is, nowadays, it seems like every other Olds 442 you see has got a W30 hood on it, it's got W30 badges on it, but like Reggie Jackson says, if you don't have paperwork, you don't have a W30. This car has paperwork. It's black, it's a post, it's a 4-speed, it's a W30, it's a 455, aluminum intake, aluminum diff cover. This is the baddest go fast Oldsmobile of all time. And if you bid high, this could be yours. Thanks, we'll talk to you soon.